So I think Chief Wokocha was very specific when he said the APC River States welcome the Congo one to the party. You are a chieftain of the APC River State under the leadership of so what the father from you, will the APC River State welcome Wike into the party?
Candidly speaking, politics is the more the merrier. It is not for people to come to any political party. The whole essence of political party and politics is to gather more people, because the more people you have, the greater your chances of victory. So, when they come to APC, it's a welcome development. It's not what is an aberration is saying Wike should come and take over the party. This is the same party that its members were handed like grasscutters. In 2014, 2015, Rivers men and women who dared to say they were members of APC were murdered in their dozens by those who are supporting the man that is being invited to join the party today, which is fine if he wants to join the party. But to say that all those who have sacrificed, lost so much life and resources, should sit back and let the man for whose support they suffer so much damage now come back and lord it over them. We'll be dancing on the graves of all those who are so murdered. I still recall my brother and friend, Chief Adude, in Onega. He was murdered, his children, about 5 of them, visitors who came to visit him, 1 or 2 of them were killed. I remember Clever Oluko, a young lawyer who was managing his life with his large family, who was shot at the polling unit where he was trying to protect the votes of his party, saying that Wike should come and become a leader of APC. Rivers people dancing on the graves of those who sacrificed their life to make APC come in Rivers State. He's welcome. If he has suddenly realized that our cancer is better than the malaria that he's suffering, we welcome him. But it will be a major disservice to the people of Rivers State to say Wike should come and lead APC. APC is not lacking leadership. PDP has won the governorship election in Rivers State. We are all here and also had the election happen. I'm waiting for a day when we'll have a proper contest of popularity, so that we know who really has capacity to galvanize Rivers people. It's not that you bring out guns, you bring out miscreants, you chase people, you bring out money, you bribe the police, you bribe everybody, you cost me hand, you take over the system, and you write results for yourself, and say you have won an election. That is not real. It's not a show of popularity. Those who are popular don't destroy the system. You canvass for votes, you sit back and you watch people. How many put the Tinubu kid to be president? That is popularity. We don't need that kind of leadership that will introduce criminality into politics that should be a peaceful exercise. APC is sufficiently led, and in no distant time, in the next few days, APC will come out as one body, and whatever privileges we have are being mended as we speak, and the party is coming together as one body. And we are sufficiently led by credible men with proven integrity, and we continue to follow them. We will not follow Wike.
Is the APC River State still being led by Rotimi Amechi? Or you have a new leadership?
It is still being led by Rotimi Amechi. However, there are also other leaders in the party. long ago, I learned that a successful organization is the one where everybody is a leader from the point where he is standing. So, yes, Rotlemic is a leader. Magnus Abe is a leader. I must say, I also lead people in the party. So we are all leaders in the party, and there is no need to claim that any one person or the other. As long as you have a following to the leader in the party, they are all leaders.